Hello, my name's Richard Hickling. I'm a co-founder of ProfitView, and I want to show you one of the innovations ProfitView has created to make traders better, in particular algorithmic traders. We've separated the process of creating an algorithm into one side, the signal, and the other side, which is risk and execution. The reason we've done this is because we're following the same path that is used in large professional trading organizations throughout the world. The idea is that the creative part of creating an algorithm is the signal, which is where you identify the alpha, and the more technological part of it is the execution and risk management. So let me just show you what I mean. This is the diagram of the ProfitView system as it works right now. We connect to exchanges and take information from their feeds through a combination of WebSockets and REST interfaces. We take in the public data, order and trade feeds, and from that and other information that may be brought into the signal, we determine basically a market direction, which we term the signal. So let me give you an example of this. So this is our interface. When you get an account on ProfitView and you go to the Signals tab, you'll see an interface like this. And as I've described in a previous video, it is event-driven. Let me show you a working example of a signal. This is a very simple signal designed to support a grid bot. I'll just run this so you see what it does. I'll just cut out the actual signal part because I'll show you that a little bit later. This is the EMA line, and we're also calculating the EMA line using TALib, which is the most respected library for technical analysis, and using the EMA function. The EMA level is 56832.1, 56883. This one is calculating them on the fly, whereas what we've got here is the end of candle, but you can see what it's doing. So when I introduce the signal, I'll stop this and introduce the signal. The signal works with the bot. The bot is the way it is executed. In this case, it's with a grid bot, but it doesn't have to be a grid bot. It can be all sorts of other configurations. But the signal doesn't itself care about how it's executed. What it's doing is providing a position for what it sees the mid price as being. And the signal can have other configurations. So different types of bots will provide a bid or ask price, or possibly other information which can be used by risk and execution components like bots to execute based on that signal. I should say that what we have here is unrestricted Python, and on top of that we provide a variety of features, one of which you can see here, and I'll explain it in a different video, but this candle update method supports the use of technical studies based on candle periods. So, for instance, this is based on 1 minute candles, but you can adapt it very straightforwardly to be based on 15-minute, 1 hour, 1 day based candles. That's about enough for now, I think. We'll do more videos describing other features that we have. Okay, thanks.